Welcome back to the Bird's Nest. Ladies and gentlemen, your boy Mr. Brennan coming at you live and direct with another video. Hope you're having a blessed evening, blessed weekend. It's game time. Oh, it's game time. We know who we facing. The Philadelphia Eagles will be facing the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Ooh, game time. Welcome back to the Bird's Nest. You see the hat I got on? We're going to have to remind Mr. Brady what happened the last time he saw us in a playoff matchup. Yes. I can't wait. Contain it. We're going to go down to Florida in that beautiful weather. It's probably going to be swampy and nasty, though. You know what I mean? It probably ain't going to be a nice sunny day for us. Not for Philly. Probably going to be raining, damp, and humid just like we like it. Yeah. We facing Tom Brady. Yes. Leonard Fournette. Mike Evans and them boys. Godwin and all them. Yeah. But remember, they secondary a little hurt. They a little beat up. Yeah, they got a couple injuries. They got some key players that are out. Now, we're going to see as we get closer to the game what's really going on. But I'm telling you, we could pull this off. Oh, we about to steal a body. We about to steal one. Ain't nobody taking us for this. And that's the best part. This whole week leading up to this game, nobody has taken the Philadelphia Eagles over the Buccaneers. Remember, we played them earlier this year. We played them tight. And that's when we wasn't running the ball. Ooh, we gonna run the ball down their fucking throat. We gonna kill these boys. You hear me? We gonna listen, the cat's out the bag. All of our tricks is coming out for this one. Oh, yes. Jalen Hurts about to put on a show, ladies and gentlemen. I just need niggas to catch the ball. Don't. This the game we don't have no drops. This the game we put it all together against the Buccaneers. Ooh. I just need one playoff win. Because they said we couldn't do it. They said Jalen Hurts wouldn't make it. They said Carson Wentz was better. What are y'all doing? He not a pocket passer. Jalen Hurts can't win you nothing. The Eagles going to win 4 games this year. Remember that. I ain't forget. Keep that same energy. Yes. Yes. Fly, Eagles. Fly. We going to catch a body. We going to make Mr. Brady remember. Remember, we the only team he fears. I don't care we ain't got Doug Peterson. I don't care we ain't got... Listen, it's going down. Brady know. When you see Philly.